it is time for our keynote presentation of the day, which is entitled Resilience and Being the Best Version of You. Now, I've often doubted my level of resilience, to be honest. In fact, it was only last month that I decided to do something about it, so I bought a book on the subject, and it was very technical and thorough, about 500 pages long. And in what I consider to be a fairly bad sign, after 20 pages I gave up reading it. But I did see in there that it says that resilience is your ability to turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones, and I think that's a good summary of it. Often people describe it as the belief that when one door closes, another door can open, and that's something that I discovered also happens when you hire a cheap joiner to do your kitchen cupboards. Now, But given all of the changes and the challenges that you're facing at work and possibly outside of work as well, resilience is a really relevant topic. And our presenter, Bruce Sullivan, is a highly engaging presenter. He's even been voted the Australian Keynote Speaker of the Year and is in the Australian Speakers Hall of Fame. He also has a black belt in Kung Fu and Jiu-Jitsu and is a retired cage fighter after breaking his nose 4 times. He's also a regular guest presenter on Channel 7's franchise show, and his catchphrase is, "Your best you," which is not only highly motivating, but it does see him often get mistakenly booked for conferences in New Zealand. Now, so for some brilliance about resilience, please welcome Bruce Sullivan!
Awesome. Thank you.